Hello and welcome to BOSH TV. Today we're in the garden. We've come to pick some tomatoes. But before we pick any tomatoes, thank you very much for watching. If you've subscribed, thank you. If you haven't, do so now because there's loads more content just like this coming your way very, very soon. Let's crack on. Now, a few of you may well have seen some of our recipe videos before. And if you have, you'll know damn well that we use tomatoes all the time in the recipes that we create. But we usually just go to the shop and buy the tomatoes. But today, we are in for a treat because one of Henry and I's good friends, Nick, is a keen gardener and he has tomatoes in abundance. Here's Nick. So, this is Nick. Hi Nick.
Hey man, how you doing?
Nick and I have known each other for about 6 years. Now Nick is obviously a very keen gardener. Can you tell us where this keen gardening came from?
Yes, well I was a landscape gardener when I left school.
Nice.
And yeah, now I just do it as a hobby.
For anybody who's ever been to London, you know that having an outside space is actually a really nice thing to have. But you have particularly nice space. What have you done with it, man?
Well, basically it was just an alleyway when we moved in. This was all covered in bushes and bramble and we decided to chop it all back and build a deck, and then we decided, you know what, let's just grow stuff as well.
Why did you grow so many tomatoes, man?
They're very easy to grow. Bought some seeds back in March and then threw them in the ground
And here we are.
Yeah.
So it's just water, seeds and sunlight. Right, it's time to pick some tomatoes. Let's do this. So we've picked a bunch of tomatoes and a lot of them are fantastic, just like this one. But unfortunately, a few of them are overripe. So what we're going to do now is separate the both of them to make sure we've got the good ones for certain things and the not so good ones for something like a really simple pasta sauce. Right, so we have got a massive bunch of tomatoes and I personally cannot wait to get home and cook something with it. Are you looking forward to seeing the video?
Can't wait.
Can you wait? That's definitely the right vibe. This is a cherry tomato. It was grown by our mate Nick, and this is going to turn into something delicious. Watch this. So, back in the studio, went to Nick's house yesterday, picked all these wonderful tomatoes. Thank you very much, Nick. You're a legend for that. So we got them back here, and I was thinking to myself, what on earth shall we do with them? Seeing as it's a shoot day anyway, we might as well use these tomatoes in a video. And the recipe that we have decided to use these wonderful tomatoes in is a puttanesca risotto. So all the rest of the ingredients for the risotto are prepped. We just need to chop these up nice and small. Right, that's our tomatoes all prepped and readied. All the rest of the ingredients are sorted. It's time to cook some puttanesca risotto.
Guys, sorry to interrupt your vlog. As you can probably tell, Ian's audio cut off while filming the outro, so I've come and stepped in while currently editing this video to outro it for you. Make sure you comment down below if you enjoyed this video and if you're going to grow your own fruit and vegetables in your house. Make sure you hit like so the boys know you've enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bish, bash, bosh.